Hello kids! It's great to have you back. Today Easy and Peasy are taking you into space. They'll explain to you why you're weightless there and why astronauts can simply float. Stay tuned, it's going to be really exciting.
Hey kids, it's me, Easy. Have you ever wondered why you're weightless in space? Today we'll explain exactly that to you. On Earth, gravity holds us in place. It pulls us downwards, so we always stay on the ground. But in space, things are different. There is almost no gravity there. That's why there is no up and down, and you just float around.
Hi friends, Peasy here. Here we go. Why do astronauts float when they fly around the Earth in a spaceship? Gravity is still there up there, isn't it?
Imagine it like this. You build a cannon on a huge mountain. When you fire the first shot, the bullet only flies a short distance and then falls to the ground. Now imagine that you take so much gunpowder that the bullet flies so fast that it doesn't fall down. It keeps flying around the Earth just like the moon.
This also happens with a spaceship. It moves so fast that it is always falling around the Earth. Everything in the spaceship, including the astronauts, falls just as fast as the spaceship itself. That's why they feel weightless and floating.
Another example of weightlessness. Imagine a high free-fall tower at a fair. You are pulled up and suddenly you are free falling downwards. For a second or two, you feel weightless because you and the seat are falling just as fast.
Did you know that the International Space Station, the ISS, flies about 400 kilometers above the Earth? It only takes 92 minutes to orbit the Earth once. Pretty fast, right? Why do astronauts float in spaceships? A. Because there is no gravity in space. B. Because the spaceship and everything in it is falling around the Earth at the same time. Or C. Because they are held by invisible ropes. And the correct answer is B. Because the spaceship and everything in it is falling around the Earth at the same time.
So stay tuned, because there are many more cool things to discover here at Easy Peasy TV. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we look forward to seeing you.